A real high-speed crash occurred on a snowy Nevada interstate when a sudden blizzard reduced visibility to near zero and tires lost grip at 70 miles per hour. First responders confirmed 38 vehicles involved and 9 injuries, with closed lanes for 8 hours, showing how quickly conditions deteriorate even on familiar stretches. Investigators traced contributing factors including speed, abrupt lane changes, and vehicle spacing, revealing a chain reaction that began with a single loss of control. The takeaway is clear: maintain 3 seconds of following distance and reduce speed by at least 1/3 in winter weather. If everyone slows and prioritizes space, the number of secondary crashes drops dramatically.